Two blockbuster trades ang binalita ngayon sa larangan ng NBA. First and foremost, Lob City is back. Lob City 2.0 mangyayari na sa San Antonio, Texas. Chris Paul has been traded to the San Antonio Spurs to join with Victor Wembanyama. On the other hand, in the East, a new Big Three has been formed. It will be Joel Embiid, Tyrese Maxey, and the addition of Paul George. So for today's video, papag-usapan natin ang mga trades na nangyari ngayon. Magiging worth it ba lahat ng mga trades na nangyari? Or hindi? Abangan. Pumunta muna tayo sa unang trade na nangyari. Bago mag-sign si Chris Paul ng isang deal with the San Antonio Spurs, na-waive siya ng Golden State Warriors bago yon. After having a negotiation with the San Antonio Spurs organization, Chris Paul has agreed to a deal to sign with the Spurs for 1 year and $11 million. In 58 games last year, Paul averaged 9.2 points, 6.8 assists, 3.9 rebounds, 1.3 turnovers, and 1.2 steals per game, while shooting 44.1% from the floor and 37.1% from the three. Dahil sa trade na yon, Paul joins a young Spurs team together with Victor Wembanyama, Trey Jones at point guard, and also the 4th pick in the NBA draft, which was Stephon Castle. With the addition of Chris Paul to the lineup, mas gagaan yung rotation ng San Antonio Spurs this season. Also featuring Lob City 2.0. Do you think magiging maganda yung rotation at yung season ng Spurs with the addition of Chris Paul? Tignan natin. Kasi para sa akin, magiging okay naman yung magiging season nila. Kaso nga lang, hindi na gaano nasa prime si Chris Paul, so medyo mahirapan din sila. Pumunta naman tayo sa second trade na nangyari ngayon. After spending 5 years with the Los Angeles Clippers, Paul George decides to sign a 4-year, $212 million deal with the Philadelphia 76ers, joining Joel Embiid and Tyrese Maxey, thus creating a new Big Three in the East. After not choosing to join the Warriors and declining the rumors about him joining, he decided to sign a deal with the Philadelphia 76ers. With this, mas lalong lalakas ang lineup ng Philadelphia coming this next season. Do you think mananalo sila ng NBA Championship? For me, there is a chance. However, iba ang regular season tsaka playoffs. So maybe, there is a chance na makakapasok sila and maybe there's a chance na hindi sila makakapasok. Kayo, sa tingin nyo ba magiging successful ang both trades na nangyari ngayon? Makakanalo pa rin sila kaya ng another NBA Championship? Abangan natin at tuklasin.